West Virginia has had a legal medical marijuana program for 3 years now, even though products are still not being sold. Well, now a big change could be coming to that law. Medical cannabis may be legal in West Virginia, but it's still not available due to hiccups in the implementation of the law. Despite that, the House of Delegates Rules-Making Committee already wants to change that law to allow the sales of marijuana flowers that are currently banned. Most medical cannabis states allow the flowers.
In states that have successful medical cannabis programs, they allow patients more options, and we're just allowing the patient to purchase the plant in its natural, unprocessed form. That's all.
Other advocates say selling the flowers can lead to lower prices since more of the plant is being used to make medicine.
Flower is a key component. In the state of Ohio, 80% of their sales comes from flower. So without the selling of flower, patients aren't going to want this product, and this industry is going to fall on its face.
The ability to sell marijuana flowers as part of the medicinal cannabis program has only passed the rulemaking committee thus far. It will still need a full vote in the House and Senate to become law. But critics are not convinced. They want to be able to ask more questions and look at more research before casting a vote.
I have serious concerns of any expansion, especially when it doesn't come through the Health Committee and other places where we have the ability to really study the issues.
There were also efforts to allow the sale of edible and smokable medical cannabis products, but they are still blocked. The bottom line, 34 states and the District of Columbia now have legalized medical marijuana.